Hi, and welcome to MCAD's Master of Arts in Sustainable Design Frequently Asked Questions series. My name is Denise DeLuca, and I'm Director of the Sustainable Design Program at MCAD. One question that's really important for you to consider as you're thinking about getting a graduate degree is why a Master of Arts in Sustainable Design? That's as opposed to a Master of Science in Sustainable Design. If you looked at some of our other FAQs, you'll know that MCAD is the first art and design school with a fully online program in sustainability. And as far as I know, we're still the only art and design school with an online program in sustainability. So not only are we first, but the key is that it's housed in an art and design school, not an engineering or architecture school. So why a Master of Art? Now this is just my opinion, but I'm going to share with you a couple of illustrations that maybe help explain why I think you might want to consider a Master of Arts or not, if that's the case. So many of us understand sustainability with this graph. You've got profit or work on the y-axis and people and planet or life on the x-axis. So in sustainability, we're trying to look at profit versus people or planet, or kind of this work-life balance. And really how it's looked upon is if you go for it, like a 10 out of 10 on the profit side, you probably have to exploit people and the planet. And if you want to have a 10 out of 10 on the people and planet side, then there's no way you can just do business as usual because you got to exploit something to get money. If you're a pessimist, you think it's a slippery slope. And if you're an optimist, you hope that you can both find this optimal point out here so you can make money and still have a thriving planet and humanity. But what I think everyone seems to understand is, at least implicitly, that it seems to be that you can't have it all. You can't make a ton of money and have this wonderful, thriving, people and planet out here. So that's conventional thinking about sustainability. And that conventional thinking, the doing less bad approach to sustainability, is really the conventional paradigm, principles, and practices at play, living in the world of the known and knowable and the predictable, and really with a focus and of course we have to be productive and competitive. So this worldview limits you to incremental innovation. If you kind of push the edges a little bit, that's where you get the most innovation way out here. But many of you know that there's a new playing field out here. There's things going on that are unknown and unpredictable. Our old models don't work anymore. In fact, some things will never be known. And to deal with this new playing field, we need creativity, imagination, and synergies. So we have to be able to work in this area, and that's not being taught in conventional schools. What we need for sustainability is radical innovation, way out here, where we need new paradigms, new principles, new practices, some of which need to be invented by people like you. And again, to go from here, working in the business as usual, to out here, we need new ways of doing things and new ways of thinking. And this will eventually require technology, but the focus is on understanding the world in a new way. So if you're interested in focusing on the built environment, you like technology and you want to focus on technological and scientific solutions, you really want to know the latest of how to build things, how to design things on the technical side, then the Master of Science might be more appropriate for you. If you're really interested in thinking more broadly, working more broadly, being multidisciplinary and cross-disciplinary, really understanding whole systems and the dynamics within these whole systems. If you want to develop leadership skills for a sustainable future. And importantly, you like focusing on identifying the problems that need to be solved. Whereas on the technical side, you focus on solving the problems that others have identified. So maybe those differences are subtle. Hopefully I've explained them to you. It's a big question, and if you want to talk about it more, I would love to chat. Again, my email is denise_deluca@mcad.edu.